Born 780 AD. Died 850 AD. Muslim mathematician and astronomer. Major contribution on Hindu Arabic numerals and concepts in algebra. First used 0 as a placeholder in positional base notation. Algorithm derives from his name. Born 850 AD, most likely in Egypt. Died 930 AD. Muslim mathematician referred to as Egyptian calculator. Use and accept irrational numbers as solutions and as coefficients to equations. Work with powers higher than 2, highest power he worked with was the 8th power. Arab mathematician. Born 920 AD in Damascus and died 980 AD. Positional use of Arabic numerals and decimal fractions. Introduces Hindu numerals and place value system. Describes addition, multiplication and other arithmetic operations on integers and fractions and decimal notation.
Islamic numbers. Hindu Arabic numbers. The system is based 10 glyphs, and the glyphs start from Brahmin numbers and then split into the 3 main families. The first is Western Arabic numbers, the second Eastern Arabic numbers, and the third one is India numbers in various scripts. So here we can see it will start from Brahmin 1st century, and then it will split to 3 main families: Western Arabic, Eastern Arabic, and Sanskrit Indians. The difference between Eastern Arabic numbers and Western Arabic numbers. As can you see at the picture, you can see the symbol between Eastern and Western Arabic is totally different.
Arithmetic in Islamic. Mathematics flourished during the golden age of Islamic science, which began around the 7th century AD and continued through to about the 14th century. Both arithmetic and algebra were advanced dramatically by Muslim mathematicians who adapted Indian innovations such as decimal number and considerably extended them. They also developed earlier Greek concepts of geometry, trigonometry, number theory, and resolution of equations. There are a lot of people who contribute in arithmetic in Islamic, but the most popular was Al-Karaji, who was born in 1953, then Abu Al-Wafa, Umar Khayyam, and last but not least, Al-Kashi.
Islamic algebra. The word algebra means completion or restoration that comes from an Arabic word al-jab. Al-Khwarizmi is a well-known person as the father of algebra. He has discovered the quadratic equation. The solution to these equations is by using the methods of completing the square. You can go through the explanation here. Next is Abu Kamil. He has explained the algebra of Al-Khwarizmi. Next is Omar Khayyam. He has discovered the cubic equation. The solution to this equation is by finding the intersection points between the two conic sections. You can see the explanation here. Last is Sharaf al-Din al-Tusi. He has explained the algebra of Omar Khayyam by using new modern methods.
The word geometry was taken from Greek word, that is, geo means the earth and metric means measure. In terms of science, geometry is the science that studies things related to magnitude and space. The application of geometric concept can be seen through the production of Egyptian pyramid, Parthenon, and Colosseum. This era also includes numerous careers and professions including architect, engineer, surveyor, carpenters, development expert, archaeologists, laborers, and entrants. One of the phrases used for modern Arabic engineers is muhandis. It is derived from the root word handasa, which refers to engineers or geometry. It shows that the most important science used by Islamic architects is the science of geometry. The components of medieval stone building consist of gates, poles, and walls, while the roof is made from wood and stone.
Trigonometry is the connecting line between mathematics and astronomy. For example, the way calendars are calculated. In the Islamic world, the calculation of spherical triangle was necessary to carry out ritual customs, such as to find the Qibla and the direction of Mecca. Al-Biruni was among those who laid the foundation for modern trigonometry. Al-Biruni Abu Rayyan al-Biruni was an Iranian scholar and polymath during the Islamic Golden Age. He was a philosopher, geographer, astronomer, and also a mathematician. He enabled the direction of the Qibla to be determined from anywhere in the world, and he also discovered the mathematical formula for finding exactly when a season starts, ends, and 7 different methods to find north and south. Al-Battani introduced the use of science and calculation. He also produced a number of trigonometrical relationships, and he also solved the equation of sin s equal to a cos s and discovering the formula sin s equal to a over the square root of 1 plus a square. He gives the trigonometric formula for right angle triangles such as b sin a equal to a sin 90 minus a.
Now, here's the summary for the topic of mathematics in Islamic civilization. These are the subtopics for this topic, which is Islamic mathematician, Islamic numerals, Islamic computational arithmetic, Islamic algebra, Islamic geometry, and Islamic trigonometry. You can look up at this point.